but I have been sick, the last couple of days. That's how much snow we've accumulated so far this morning, and it is still, look at that, it's still coming down.
Got a shower and she took all the hot water.
It is good. Wow, are you okay? Good morning, everybody. So, this is what we woke up to. I think above us they had blizzards and ice the last couple of days, and now we have snow. Pretty though, isn't it? Look at that. So pretty. We just had a delivery of wood yesterday, so we have a nice big pile out there. Anyway, Matt and I like to have a nice pile of wood during this type of weather, just in case the weather or the power were to go out. Just to be on the safe side. At least there's a way to keep everybody warm in the house. So, isn't that beautiful though? Anyway, I am coming in to do a little bit of self-care. I don't know if you can hear it, but I have been sick, the last couple of days. It started with Braxen in our house. And then, I don't know, it's just, it's gone from there, so. Started with Braxen, then it went to Matt, and now it's Aspen and I. Ireland had caught a little bit of it, but I think, cross my fingers, I think it's passed her by a little bit. Anyway, yesterday I pretty much stayed in my pajamas, but I still got up and like did some housework and moved around the house because I didn't want to be laying, especially when I'm coughing, because I just don't want it to settle in my lungs. But today I decided I was going to get up, take a hot shower, put clothes on instead of pajamas. Still something comfy. I'm just in a sweatshirt and sweatpants today. But I'm doing a little bit of self-care. I put some vitamins on my face and toner and stuff like that. And now I'm trying to, do you ever get this? Like, do you ever get, we call them rat's nests in your hair when you've been sick? My hair is so long. That's what I'm trying to work out right now, is I have some big snarls right back here. So anyway, I am going to, I'm so out of breath. They said, I was reading an article and it said that this cold, flu, RSV, COVID season, like all these things are kind of meshing together and they're calling it an immunity debt. So like people are seeing that they'll come down with something and then they'll feel better and then they'll come down with another thing. And it's because during the pandemic, a lot of us weren't around each other as much. And so our immune systems, like we missed out on some of those things we would normally be exposed to. And so that's where it's coming from. I have these two in here. They were in a breeding box, or they're in a breeding cage. And they did lay an egg, but it's their first clutch. And they haven't laid any since. So I think we're going to put them back in with the flock. I think they're pretty much done. You can hear that like wheeziness. It's all right here though, really. It's not down in my chest. It's like up in here. So hopefully it goes quickly and gets knocked out. But anyway, I had them in a breeding cage and they're getting ready to move back in with their flock because they're just not ready. It's their first breed and I don't want to have her to continue to lay eggs if she's not taking care of them, because she laid that one like over probably a week and a half ago and she's still not done anything with it or laid any more eggs. And I can see that she's not egg bound, so I don't want her to lay more because it's hard on their body if they keep laying them. So yeah, anyway, that's an update on what's going on with our feathery friends. Okay, I'm gonna brush my hair and then I'm probably gonna go sit down for a little bit before I do any more work in the house today.
Remember sunsets in Boston, kissing yellow watched all of them together until we couldn't go to sleep. Wish it lasted forever, but it faded away. I was wrong, you were right. We couldn't stand tall under the fire. Somewhere I can see the silver lining, but it's so far away.
Right there, it took me under 10 minutes to at least make myself feel a little bit more human. A little self-care goes a long way when you're not feeling well. Oh, okay, I need to turn a light on for these birds. And then maybe I will get a... I don't know what's going on here. Oh, light's out. So our light actually has like a remote connected to it that runs the fan and the light, so you can shut the light off. So now I have to go find the remote. It's probably on the bed somewhere. Anyway, I'm gonna grab some socks. I've got my wool socks. I so desperately need to get some new socks coming up here. Let's check the snow. See how it looks. Okay, so look at the table. That's how much snow and the grill. Oh no, we forgot to cover the grill. Oh. Anyway, that's how much snow we've accumulated so far this morning, and it is still, look at that, it's still coming down. So pretty though. Okay, so a little more self-care. I'm gonna have some breakfast, and I'm just going with something really light because I'm not super hungry, but I wanna take some Mucinex. So I know I need to eat something before I do that. I really like these. These are the black cherry Activia, and I like how like thick this yogurt is. It's kind of creamy. It kind of reminds me a bit of a Greek yogurt's consistency, but without the sourness that some of the Greek yogurt has. Anyway, I am going to eat that, and then we'll see where this very snowy, sick day leads us. So anyway, this is my morning routine right now while I'm sick. Vitamins, some Mucinex, and then some emergency. So these are so sour, but I know that they're supposed to help boost. They've got a lot of, I don't know what Matt is doing. He has been making this loud noise from the bedroom for quite some time now, for like the last 5 minutes. Yeah. I'm waiting to see if I can hear him again so you can get the full effect of what's been going on in this house this morning, but I think he heard me, and so now he's not doing it. Anyway, did he do it again? Honey!
You know, I really want to know if he's okay.
He's fine. He's being a dork. I don't know what he's doing.
Dude, stop.
See, you hear him? Anyway, and then I made myself one of the water drink packets. I think it used to be called Orange Early Rise, and they changed the name. They like rebranded them a little bit. They're the Great Value brand ones. And so now they're called Orange Blast, but it's chock full of vitamin C. So that is what I'm doing this morning. I'm gonna go ahead and take all that stuff, see if I can't help knock some of this out. Ugh. I'm so ready for it to be gone. It's been going through the house since around Thanksgiving, honestly. Like, we'd catch something and then a couple of people in the house would have it and then it'd be gone. And then it'd be like a week or so and then it'd come back again. And then a couple of people would have it, and it's just it's just been like this. But this is the first, like, I was sick with it before, not feeling well, sick with something, not feeling well. But this is the first that I've been like knocked down. Like really knocked down. Before I just needed some sleep, a little bit of rest because I was feeling yucky. But this has kicked me in the ribs, literally. All right, I'm gonna take these, and then I might rest for a little while before I do anything else today. What was going on there?
Got a shower and she took all the hot water. And then the fan was going and it was cold.
Oh, that was Burr.
Yeah. I'm like, brrr!
Did it sound like Burr out here? No, it sounded more like Burr.
I was being a horse.
Hi, babe. Venturing out in this lovely weather. It is still snowing, you guys. Braxen's bringing up our recycling for garbage. Yeah, I know. I hope they grab it today.
Did you see him grab the recycling?
No, but it's empty, so.
Maybe a squirrel got it.
Thanks, Braxen.
Oh.
All right, be careful, drive safe. Okay, it's that time of year. Gotta dig out the boots.
He barely can get down it.
Oh, he'll be all right. He's got four-wheel drive. You, on the other hand, we need to find all your stuff.
Yeah,
Here.
'cause I don't have four-wheel drive.
Here's your hat on your body.
I don't
here's
have
your
four-wheel
hat.
drive. I have to go down that hill.
I might have to go down and go get your gloves.
Okay.
But let's look.
No, there's some great
There's boots.
gloves.
You need to go. Okay, go upstairs. Go get pants out of the dryer. Get a warm shirt.
I don't have any more.
Yes, you do. They're in your closet.
Honey!
Hey, listen.
What?
Grab warm socks too. Your big thick ones.
Okay.
Time to pull out all the winter gear finally. Yep. Now if I can just find all your. Do you want a face mask? Oh, you don't need one. You got a big thick hat. What? I'm coming. You do.
Oh, dryer.
Dryer, buddy, dryer. I found your good gloves. Gloves, hat. I'd like to know where my gloves went.
You know, it really wasn't that cold outside.
Yeah. What am I looking for you? Snow pants. Those might be upstairs though. I got gloves.
You
You're
should
good.
have them.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to help me get my gloves on.
Okay.
My socks get all wrinkly on the bottom and it feels weird.
All right. Boots?
Can you help me get my boots on? Where's my other boot?
Oh, I don't know. Shoot, that's a good question. I thought I had them both. There's one. Try those boots on. See how they fit. They should fit good. Whoa! Are you okay? Good Lord. Slickery, huh?
Flickery?
Slickery. Slippery and slick all together. Now you want to pull that stuff over the top. There you go, yep.
It's not a promise I can make.
I know.
What's in the shoe? It's like really stiff right here.
Well, take it off and find out.
There might be a sock in there.
Think there's a sock in there? Oh, there's your sock in there now. What's in there? Could be the liner to the boot too. that baby Yoda sock that's been missing for a while?
How long has that thing been in there?
Since last winter. I bet this one's in way better shape than the other one.
When that sock was in there.
How do those boots fit? Still nice?
Oh yeah, they fit nice. I think I should get my coat on first. Huh?
Nope. Here. Salt.
Salt.
Yep.
Ah! Gotta get that off.
There you go. Now your arms should stay dry.
Ooh, it's hard to bend my booties.
There you go.
I'm a Russian man.
Bye.
Bye.
Going to shovel? Whoa, careful.
I fell over 3 times already.
Aspen's back in from shoveling, and he's having some cereal.
Some coffee.
And yep, I let him have a little coffee.
And then a little medicine.
And a little Mucinex, yep.
It's disgusting.
Yeah, it'll help you feel better. All right, I thought I would give you a little update on the weather. It is still snowing. My goodness. Look at all that snow. Now my mom said they're about, sorry, the dryer is going, so you can probably hear it in the background, and the wash machine. But they're about 15 minutes away from us, and they did not get near the snow we did. Look at the table and the grill. So that's how much we have now. It's just snowing and snowing. Okay, so I thought I'd bring you out to show you a little bit more of what the weather is looking like. Look at that. You see all that snow coming down? Look, there's our wreath. Isn't that pretty? In the front door. We haven't taken it down yet. I brought you out this way though because the birds they're so loud. I think you can still hear them out here. Look at that. Look at all that snow. There's so much. Look at this. I hide my Christmas lights over here, my Christmas light plugs over here, away from the water so I can plug them in. I don't know if I will today though. We'll see. Sounds so quiet, doesn't it? Just kind of muffles everything. There's the other Christmas tree. I'll leave that up through the end of January. Except once I take down the Christmas decorations, I'll change this all to white until Aspen's birthday. And then we always decorate it in like pretty colors for his birthday. Isn't that pretty at night though? So pretty. What are you doing?
I'm playing Slime Rancher 2.
Yeah, Braxen. Well, you guys, I think saw that. Braxen bought the kids an Xbox for Christmas. And it has been getting plenty of use. You guys have all played it, even Braxen, huh?
Yeah.
So dark out here. I thought about starting a fire. Look how dark it is. I took out our Advent candles, but I left the middle Christmas candle up. And I figured we'll burn it through the beginning of the year. It's pretty. It'll match our January decor. So why not just leave the Advent wreath up and got our nativity scene there. I've been working on subtitles for one of the videos I'm trying to put out, one of our Vlogmas videos, which I know you guys are seeing some of them a little bit late, but I think I got most of them out in a pretty timely manner. I tried to anyway. Anyway, I'm gonna check. I think my load of laundry is done. I've been trying to take it easy, but still get some work done. And my big thing today has been laundry. I did clean my bathtub and stuff in my bathroom, so I guess taking it easy, but just taking it slow.
Morning has broken, my windows are open. Wanna feel the wind blow through my hair. Which way do I follow? What happens tomorrow? I turn to you and hope you can guide the way. Sometimes I give up, just wanna be on my own. Even in the darkest times, you give me hope.
so funny. This hat of Aspen's, he got it as kind of an early Christmas present. But I had this on the dryer because it has to air dry. You don't want to put it in the dryer, it'll just ruin it. So I had it upside down so that the inside would dry after him going outside. And Zane came in and he's like, because he thought there was an animal on top of the dryer, and I just like nonchalantly picked it up with my hands. Look at this, you guys. That's my prayer window. Isn't it pretty? Isn't it pretty? I decorated this, or I found this, I thrifted it, and it actually turns on and lights up blue. And I just thought that was so pretty to add to this window for Christmas.